Service alerts are used to help keep track of maintenance items that need to be done on a regular basis. Whether it's based on vehicle mileage, operating hours, or calendar days, you can use service alerts to keep you on top of your preventative maintenance to help you minimize downtime. To view all of your existing service alerts, click the Service Alerts button. When in the company context, you'll see all of the different service alerts that you have throughout your whole company, no matter which piece of gear they may be attached to. To create the service alert, click the Service Alert button. This brings up the service alert modal. First, give this service alert a short but descriptive name. Then choose what the interval unit will be. Then set the interval at which this service should be completed. Then set the advance notice. This is how many interval units that you would like to be alerted before the service is due. For example, if you set the interval for 5,000 miles and the advance notice for 250 miles, you'll be notified 250 miles before this service is due. Now you'll need to attach the service alert to all of the gear that it will apply to. Using the familiar accordion gear selector, you can easily add individual pieces of gear, all of a certain model, all of a certain make, all of a certain type. Using the Select All button, you can quickly assign every piece of gear in your company, or you can pick and choose any combination of gear you like. In this tutorial, we're going to assign this service alert to all of the pickup trucks. To save this service alert, click the Create button. After your service alert has been successfully created, you'll see the success message at the top of the page. If you would like to check in on how a particular piece of gear is progressing through its service interval, you'll need to be in the gear context. Now let's view its service alerts. When in the gear context, you can see each service alert that this piece of gear has been attached to, as well as its progress. Once a piece of gear's service alert progress is within the advance notice of being due, a task will automatically be created, which you'll be able to see here as well. When a task that is attached to a service alert is marked as complete, the progress for this gear's service alert will be reset. That concludes this tutorial on service alerts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you still have some questions about this topic, please add a comment below. I highly recommend checking out our other GearJot tutorial videos, as well as subscribing to this channel so that you'll know when we post new video tutorials helping you get the most out of GearJot.